We have a MINI R52 in the shop with a W10 engine, and the front control arm bushes are torn. So Donnie is just going to show us here on this one, and I'm going to try and zoom in there. We can see the one crack, and then we're going to look at the other one. Oh, that one is torn quite a bit more already. Okay, and Donnie's going to talk us through why the bumper is on the floor and the car looks like this up in the air, just to change the control arm bushes. And then, all right, Donnie, what do we have here on the stand?
So on the stand is the front subframe, lower subframe. We have to remove that just to be able to replace the bushes on this car, and to remove the subframe you have to remove the front bumper as well.
Okay, so I'm just going to make my way around here.
And as you can see, the whole power steering system is also on the subframe as well, and comes out as a whole unit together with the subframe.
Okay,
so here's the pump, the power steering pump, and here's the reservoir.
Power steering fluid goes in there.
And then your whole steering rack on.
All right, I'm just going to make my way around here without bumping anything. Okay, so just say again, why do we need to remove the whole subframe? Why can't we just remove the old bushes while it's still fitted to the vehicle?
So with the design of this subframe and with the bushes, we have to remove the whole subframe just to remove these two bolts which holds the bushes in bracket in place. So here's the new bush, and it goes inside this bracket, which then attached to the subframe over here.
Okay, fantastic. So then on this side we haven't fitted the bracket yet. This is the part where it would go onto. Can we just see that bracket here? Maybe we can go back into the light again a bit.
So here's the bracket, it's whole. The new bush pressed into it already.
All right, can we just have a look at the bush there? Yep.
And then on this side.
Fantastic, no more cracks. So when the control arm bushes are cracked, it does affect braking stability, and it can also affect the way the front tires wear down as well, which obviously we're trying to make last as long as possible on all our clients' cars. So it looks like a little bit of an alien here, but that is the long and the short of control arm bushes being replaced on a Mini, on an older Mini, let's just add that.